Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video we're going to go over something called a dictionary. Now it's not the kind of dictionary that you would think where you can look things up and it'll give you a definition, but it is something that we define, we actually define a definition for it. So basically you'll have a name of something and then you'll give the definition of what that is and then you can print it out. And what a dictionary uses is something called keys and values. Let me show you what I mean. If we want to make an app that's going to list the different employees in a company, we could go employees equals, and then you're going to use curly braces again for this one. And what you're going to want to do is, let's say the first one is named Fred. So we're going to put his name there, and we're going to put a colon, and we're going to put the single quotes again. So we have his name in single quotes, a colon, and then we're going to put that he is the CEO. Then in the next one, we'll put the name Julie with a colon, and we'll put CFO. Now, you'll notice Fred here is the key. The value is CEO. We separate it by a comma. Now we go on to the next one. Julie is the key. CFO is the value. And we'll do it one more time with Paul, and he will be the COO. Now I can just go like this and print employees. And when I print it out, it'll print the whole entire thing, and that's not what we want. So another thing we could do is we could print employees, and we can put the square brackets and single quote, and I could put, let's say I want to see what, who Julie was. Well, when I put in Julie, I hit print, it'll list her as the CFO right here. But what if I wanted to print out all their names and titles, and printing this for every line would be ridiculous. So there's an easier way to do this, especially if you have a long dictionary like this with the keys and values. It's going to really be long and tedious to have to do that for every line. So there's an easier way to do it, and that's using the for loops, which we learned before. So if you go for k, comma, v, and the reason we're doing this is because we have two values now. We're not just reading one value like we have in the past. Each one has two values. So we're going to use k for key and v for value. So the k is going to read the key and the v is going to read the value. And we're going to put in employees dot items, and the items part of it means the keys and values for each one of these. Now I can put print k plus. Now let me show you another trick here. When we do that, if I want spaces between Fred and CEO, Julie and CFO, Paul and COO, or any other values that I would have in there, I can put a plus sign, and I can put these quotes here with a space in it and nothing else, put another plus sign, and then I can put the value. And what that'll do is that'll print a space every time between the key and the value. So now if I hit play, now it prints them all right in a row for me. Fred, CEO, Julie, CFO, Paul, COO. So that's a dictionary. Again, you have the key and the value. Mess around with it, play with it, try to do it with different things. But this will come in handy over time with programming. So I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell so that you can see when I upload new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.